Hey yo, Dr. Jordan. My name is MANJ, and you're watching my channel, The Muslim Apologist. Dear Dr. Jordan, I have been made aware of your recent video entitled Message to Muslims. I've watched the video several times in order to understand your intentions, and I do appreciate your attempt in reaching out to Muslims, especially to those living in the Muslim world. I do appreciate the fact that you referred to our blessed Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam with the epithet upon him be peace. And it does tell me that you are sincere in trying to reach out to Muslims, and you definitely have the best of intentions as well for Muslims and our relationship with you and with Christians and Jews and everyone else all over the world. However, that being said, you need to understand that the dynamics of the Muslim world is such that it is not as easy to proclaim to us Muslims in order to achieve peace among all the people of the book. You see, Dr. Peterson, we Muslims believe that Christians and Jews should come to common terms with us Muslims, as encapsulated in a verse in the Quran where it says, "O people of the book, come to common terms as between us and you, that we worship none but God, that we associate no partners with him, that we erect not from among ourselves lords and patrons other than God. If then they turn back, say, bear witness that we at least are Muslims, bowing to God's will." Now, Dr. Peterson, I do understand that you think that the Abrahamic Accords is the gateway towards achieving peace among all those who believe in the one true God of Abraham. However, for us Muslims who are living in the Muslim world, we view the so-called Abrahamic Accords with great disdain and trepidation, because we do realize that these so-called Abrahamic Accords have nothing whatsoever with gaining peace or trust with the Muslims in the Muslim world. In fact, we believe that the Abrahamic Accords is simply another attempt at legitimizing colonization of lands which historically belong to Muslims and which we Muslims have great attachment to, historically speaking. Therefore, Dr. Peterson, I do understand your concern and perhaps even your sincerity in trying to reach out to Muslims, and I do hope that building bridges with you would be indeed a fruitful endeavor. However, it is not as easy as simply making pen pals with the other side. You will need to understand the history of the Muslim world, the dynamism that the Muslim world is not monolithic. We do not share the cultural bonds and languages throughout the Muslim world, except for one, which is La ilaha illallah, Muhammad Rasulullah, which translated means there is no God worthy of worship except for the one true God, and that Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam is the messenger of God. Dr. Peterson, I take the opportunity to extend my hand in friendship, and I hope that, God willing, perhaps you and I could one day be in a forum together, or perhaps we could one day sit at the same table and speak to each other regarding the values that perhaps we share, and also to come to common terms between us. Thank you, Dr. Jordan Peterson, for your time, and I hope that inshallah one day I will be a guest on your channel, or perhaps you will be a guest on my channel, The Muslim Apologist. And with that, greetings of peace to you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.